So today I'll teach you how to make the 16-pointed ninja star. This is a modular origami, so you're going to make 16 modules of these and connect them together. At the end, you can put tape if you want. To start, you'll need 16 square sheets of paper. I'm going to show you how to make one module, and you can make the next 15 by yourself. To start, fold it in half. And fold, rotate, and fold it in half again. Now you want to take each of these corners and let them meet with the center. Once you've done that, it should look like this. Now you want to take the bottom edge and align it with the center on both sides. Flip it over, fold the top flap down so it aligns with the back. Fold it in half like this. And you've completed one of the modules. Now you want to make 15 more. Once you've completed all 16 modules, you want to connect all of them. To connect them, take two, and as you can see, there's two flaps here. You want to stick both of these edges into each one of those flaps. So it looks like this. Take the next module and repeat. Once you get the last piece in, you want to pull it back and connect the first piece to the last piece. And make sure the center is a perfect circle. And you've completed your 16-pointed ninja star. You can apply tape to the corners if you want to throw it so it won't break.